Hi, this is Dr. Jess Scannum. And if you're watching this video, there's a chance that you're really suffering right now. You're probably suffering with chronic pain and have had it for some time now. So even though you're suffering and this must be a really difficult time for you, this video that you're about to see may have the chance to change your life significantly. As it turns out, the medical profession has really let you down in terms of our ability to adequately treat you for your chronic pain and help you get on with your life. Hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people with chronic pain every day suffer from the effects of not having adequate treatment. Frequently, the only treatments we have available to you would be medications, typically narcotics, surgeries, other medications, and other interventions which may or may not help you. For those of you that have been through the gamut of possible treatments, you're probably sitting there shaking your head saying, I know what you're talking about. And unfortunately, you've always had the feeling and probably continue to have the feeling that these treatments haven't helped you very much. Medications, we know, especially narcotics, lose their ability to be helpful for you after a certain point. And they have significant side effects, not the least of which is that you can become very addicted to them and develop long-term intolerances and other long-term side effects which are not good for your health. So in general, I'm here to say, on behalf of the medical profession who has been working hard over the years to try to help you, that we really have let you down. Now that's the bad news. The good news is there are treatments that empirically, which means based on science, have been shown to be very effective. And if you look at all the literature that's out there on the treatment of chronic pain, there is a gold standard. And that gold standard for the treatment of chronic pain is multidisciplinary. That means across many disciplines. Treatment for chronic pain that includes helping you manage your stress, helping you get stronger, helping you with your diet, and helping you manage your day-to-day activities without re-injuring yourself. That's really the key here. There is no magic medication. There is no magic procedure. There is no magic pill. Chronic pain cannot be cured in the traditional sense, but with these multidisciplinary treatments, specifically what we call functional restoration programs can do is help you function and manage your chronic pain so that you can attempt to get your life back. One of the things, having treated chronic pain patients over the years, that I've come to realize is that many of you probably are suffering from significant stress, probably have some depression, anxiety, have become increasingly isolated from friends and family, and have kind of given up on life, which is really unfortunate. With the program that we're going to be talking to you about today, the Functional Restoration Program, this program, the specific goal of the program is to help you get your life back, improve your ability to function in the world, not rely solely on medications, and have a healthier life so that you can interact with your friends and family and be able to have a more meaningful, hopeful life. So we hope you enjoy what you're about to see. And of course, you can talk to your doctor about this because this program could be made available to you in the future. Thank you.
I wish that everybody with chronic pain could experience this because it's huge. I mean, coming in, I was apprehensive coming into this program. I thought, why do you want me to do this? Why? There's got to be a catch here somewhere, and there's not. I mean, it's just people helping people.
My biggest success has been not being able to get on the ground since 2013, and now I'm able to get totally on the ground and back up without assistance.
The biggest change that I've noticed is my range of motion is a lot better than when I came in the first week. I have very bad issues with my shoulder and arm, and I couldn't lift it any more than like here before, and now I can bring it all the way up to here.
Getting up out of a chair, I either used to have to maneuver myself to get up or have somebody help me. And that's been probably the last 20 years. But 3 weeks into the program, I got up out of the chair myself. It feels good because now I can get up and down and I don't have a lot of problems.
I've cut my medications almost in half, 4 Norco a day for 14 years, down to 2.5 right now and continuing down, so that's a positive thing I've seen.
I think the biggest thing is I'm gaining strength in areas where I needed to work on. I'm getting a little more flexible. So overall, I think it's helped me quite a bit. A lot more than things I've done in the past where you go for a certain amount of time and then it's over. So the program itself, I think, has been very beneficial.
Being in a group where everybody has something wrong with them and they have chronic pain, and how they deal with it or don't deal with it is very helpful, because it makes me feel not so alone trying to climb this mountain by myself.
Absolutely. I wish this program was available to me 20 years ago. It's amazing. I can't say enough about it. I can't.
I would highly recommend it. I mean, I really feel blessed that I was able to be part of this program, because they told us only 1% of workers' comp patients get allowed to be here. And I am very grateful.
I would completely recommend this program to others in chronic pain, because it's truly a godsend. You won't believe it unless you try it. That's all I can say, and it's amazing. And if you don't try it, you'll regret it, because it's truly beneficial and you get a whole lot out of it.
You know, don't be afraid to try it. You will not be disappointed, and you'll make new friends.